Let's see how to align your page numbers in your table of contents in Microsoft Word. Now first, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now first, we want to create our table of contents by going into References and clicking on Table of Contents right here. Now for this one, let's go to Custom Table of Contents. Now for example, let's uncheck this box, right? Align page numbers. Microsoft automatically has that checked for specific reasons. Now let's see what will happen if we uncheck this box. As you can see here, we have our headings and the page number beside them. So heading 1 is on page 2, heading 2 is on page 3, body is on page 4, and so on and so forth. Now, let's try checking that box, this one, right align page numbers. And when we click OK, as you can see, the page numbers are now aligned to the right. And that is how you align page numbers in Microsoft Word. See you soon!